Okay, my team have asked me to create this video for you to explain what a content marketing retreat is like and the impact that you're going to get if you attend one of our content marketing retreats. So our content marketing retreats start by getting you out of your business, okay? Getting you away from the day-to-day. And the reason I know this works is because I do it myself when I need to create content. I get out, I get into a zone where I can content create and create a bank. And the content retreats are us offering you that experience with me alongside you to help you plan your marketing. And you can tap into my ideas, impact, and marketing brain to help you create impact for your business. So we're currently on retreat right now as I record this video for you. So day one, start with the marketing planner, where we're actually having a good look at where you're at, what you want to achieve, what's going ahead for the next quarter. We always plan quarter by quarter, and then we're into the content production component. So as we go through the marketing planner, we talk about goals, we talk about where everyone's at, and that sort of forms the foundation for day two and day three. We have a studio open just like this where you can pop in and record video along the way. We normally do a photo shoot somewhere along the venue to make sure that we can capture those moments, get you a couple of headshots up to date. So you've got, poses like this for social media and poses like that, and other ones where you're smiling and you get your headshot and all of those sorts of things along the way. So we are upping your social media content. We then go into different themes based on what the day one planning was about. So we'll either go in and this weekend, for example, we're doing some stuff on websites. We might do some stuff on faceless video content. We might even go in and do a brand audit or something to see where people are at, or a social media audit or an optimization. If there's been changes in the world of marketing, then we'll look at those changes and how you can make sure that you're implementing the changes you need to make for that process. And I'm here for you to ask questions and engage with in our marketing opportunities. The community and the group that comes together for these marketing retreats is amazing. We're very supportive. They get together and you then go off and buddy with each other to be in studios like this, recording video, to record short form, to write blogs, or just bounce ideas off each other and have a body double along the way. The content marketing retreats aren't really a retreat as such. We're not relaxing. We are working. We are immersing ourselves in content marketing. We are in a beautiful venue. Every time we've got amazing food and catering for lunches to make sure we're well catered for, and there is no stupid question. In the content marketing retreats, we have built businesses, we have built brands, we have come up with new concepts, we've restructured things, we've broken through barriers for small business owners who are wanting to create content. We've taken people who weren't even considering video to creating video and now maximizing it within their business. For people who didn't even have a brand, we've actually been able to brainstorm and look at how that brand is coming together throughout that weekend. Now, I'm not saying that everyone's going to get the same outcome, because it's up to you what you get out of a content marketing retreat. But I am saying it's a 3-day experience where in the mornings you've got access to my brain and my head, and I will teach you stuff. In the afternoons, we go into the doing, the buddying, the filming, the studios open. We've got short form studios, and we then have a long form studio time as well to allow you to be able to create both that vertical and landscape video that you need in your marketing kit. And I am here to help you with those videos. If you need it, I spend time with pretty much each one of our attendees in the content marketing retreats to make sure that we get a promo video, or we get one really good long form video for you along the way. Charlotte normally runs our short form video room, and then you've got access to those rooms at other moments where we're not running those sessions for you to be able to take your phones up, record and do what you like. But we have all the lights and all the things that you need to make you look good on camera so that you can make the most out of it. So if you've been thinking about coming to a content marketing retreat, that's in a bit of a nutshell what it is. We're in one right now. I'm recording and creating content right alongside of you. So if you want to create impact and you want to create content and you're overwhelmed and you can't extract yourself out of the day-to-day, a content marketing retreat might just be the thing for you. Book a discovery call with me. Let's see if it's the right fit. And if it is, you can be at the next